Hey everyone, and welcome to this motion study tutorial of this gearbox in SolidWorks. So let's begin. So here we have the assembled gearbox, and the first thing that you need to do is to adjust the orientation and the zoom, as you can see it from here. Now if you want to change the color of anything, then you can open it in a separate part file, and just like this gear casing, I'm gonna change its color to blue. You can assign any color. After that, you have to press the Ctrl S button to save it and then cross the window. This will automatically be appear in the assembly file. Okay, now right click here in this area, go to toolbox and make sure that the motion manager has been checked. After that, go to the motion study. Then you need to drag this until 12 seconds. Okay, after that you need to select the motor from here. So this is the option for the motor. In this window you have to assign the motor direction to the input shaft, and you can assign the speed. So this is the RPM. I will assign here 275 RPM for the input shaft. After that you need to check the box, and then you need to click on this calculate button. As soon as you press the calculate button, it will slowly rotate the gears and the shafts, and after this you need to press the play button from here, as you can see it from here. And now you can press this button to see the complete gearbox. So that's all for this tutorial and this complete playlist. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.